So, this is what I woke up to. Every day in Freetown, Massachusetts, it's been pretty dismal. I'm not complaining, but I would sure like to have a nice day to show what it's like out here, where I grew up, where I live now still. So many things happened in this neighborhood. It's like another life. Oh my God, look at all the mushrooms. These things literally weren't here at the beginning of this week, but it's been raining all week and the weather's changed. I mean, it went from summer, hot every day, like so hot you didn't even want to be outside, to like 60 degrees, rainy every day. The weather changes like so crazy these days. It's not like it used to be. Gradual. I mean, boom, one day it's summer and the next thing you know, it's like this. Look at this cool vinage. Is that ayahuasca? Wow. Holly tree. It was a huge holly tree in this yard, but I want to say, to my recollection, it got chopped down. I don't know if that was it. Or even if maybe the hollies just were creeping up all over a tree. Look at that one. It's big. Yeah, my father likes to put stuff way in the back. Retired vet. Disabled vet. Marine Corps from the Vietnam War era. A-rah. Ooh-rah. Sheds. This is my little grill that I cook on when I come out here and have my little personal powwows. Oh my God, that table's like all wet. I shouldn't just leave it out here, but it's fine. Little campfire action. I shoot some targets out there. It's all overgrown. Our property goes way back there beyond that last stand of brush out there. Gotta get rid of that stuff soon. Look at all the rainwater. Another shed. My boats, which I haven't used because I hurt my back in that freaking car accident a couple months ago. Horrible. Should not look like that. This is where I hang out on the deck. Usually there's a hammock hanging there, but I folded it up and put it away because it would be soaking wet right now. And if it does end up being a nice day today, later on, I'll probably come out here and film some more. been wanting to film more and get out and stuff, but I've been trapped in my room because it's just been pouring, raining, and dismal. Yeah. So we'll see what happens today. Hopefully the weather will get nicer. This is a little memorial that we made for my mom. She passed away when I was like 30 or something like that, or 28. Right now it's a mess because of the rain. Usually those plants are usually sticking straight up. A couple rose bushes over there. See? One of them I believe she planted, but I planted one in my old apartment, and then when I moved here, back here to help my father, because he's getting old now, he's like 77, I think. I planted the one that I grew in my yard. I planted it here, and now it's still alive and growing. It took a while because it has to get used to the soil again and all of that, but yeah. I love plants. I've had some great gardens in my time. Every apartment that I've had, except for one, and I've had 3 apartments since I moved out on my own years ago. But everyone except for one apartment have I had a beautiful garden with tomatoes and peppers and everything you can think of. Kale, I've tried it all. Onions, I've pickled onions before. So, yeah, 3. Very significant number. Very esoteric. Very powerful. And that's the Jeep. Yeah, I was a corrections officer for 10 years. That's why I have the thin blue line there. Homage to my Viking blood. Among other things. Basically an Afro-Celt, because I've got all sorts of different things in me. But yeah, that's the vehicle. She served me well. Well, thanks guys. I'll talk to you later.